Okay, so pause video and try question 5. Right, so Alan has an annual salary of 45,000. His tax credit is 4,650, which you don't need to do anything about just yet, and his standard rate cutoff point is 31,000. So the first 31,000, he is taxed at 20%, and the remaining, so we do 45,000, take away 31,000, which is 14,000. That's going to be taxed at 45%. So that's 20% and 45%. So that's 6,200, and we're going to be adding on 6,300. So far his tax for the year is 12,500. But we're then told that his tax credit is 4,650. So that's what we take away. So tax credit, you take that away, which is 4,650. Which is equal to 7,850. So that's how much income tax he pays. So that's his income tax or his tax payable. Okay, pause again and try question 11. Okay, so I haven't got any examples yet with you on, well, in this video on the USC charge. So universal social charge charges a percentage up to 10,036 at 2%, between 10,036 and 16,016 at 4%, and anything over 16,016 is charged at 7%. That's per year. Now if you're given it per week, the numbers that you use are here. Okay, so Aidan has an annual salary. So the annual salary, that means we're going to be using this one here per year. Calculate his USC charge. So in the first 10,000 that he earns, 10,036, we multiply that by 2%, and we'll get an answer in a second. Then between 10,036 and 16,016, so you take them away, so 16,016 minus 10,036 gives us 5,980. That's charged at 4%. Okay, so what I did there was 16016 minus 10,036. Gave me that answer there. Now, anything left over, so we do 57,000 minus 16,016, and that's his remainder, so 40984. So this number, and this number, the three of them should add to 57,000. So the first 10,036 he's charged 2%, the next 5,980 he charged 4%, and the last 40,984 he charged 7%. So you calculate the three of them and you add them up, and that's his total USC charge. Okay, the answers are filled in there. So we calculate three of them and add them up, and you get 3,308.80. Right, using that example, you did the exact same thing for Paula, a salesperson, and a plumber. So try that yourselves there. Okay, so this is an exam style question. Pause this again, try it yourselves. I'll go through it then. Okay, so Alan pays income tax, universal social charge, and a pay-related social insurance on his gross wages. his gross wages are 510. Part A. Alan pays income tax of 20% and his tax credits are 63. So there's no higher rate, he just pays 20%. So it's going to be 510 multiplied by 20%, which is equal to €102. So then his tax credits, well, he doesn't have to pay. So you do 102 minus 63 equals 39. So he only has to pay €39, and that's his income tax. That's your final answer. Part B, Alan pays USC 2% on the first 193. So it's 193 times 2%. 4% on the next 115. So we do 115 multiplied by 4%. This is different to the previous questions. We're told it's on the next 115. So just be very careful with the wording of the question. And 7% on the balance. So to find out the number that we put here, we do 510, which he earns. So 510 minus 193 minus 115. And that's going to be the number that we put here. Which is equal to 202. So we do all the calculations. So 193 times 2% is 386. 115 times 4% is 4.60. The last one, 202 times 7%, which is 14. Add the three of them together, and you get 2260. Okay. Part C, Alan also pays PRSI. His total weekly deductions amount to 76.92. How much PRSI does he pay? So we need to find out what all his other deductions add up to. So his tax is 39 and his USC is 2260. So we add two of them together and we're going to take that away from 76.92. So 39 plus 2260 is 6160. So we do 76.92 minus 6160, which is 1532. And that's his PRSI. That's your final answer.